Sack up in our drawers. Real shit, do or die, we gon' risk it all. Driving like a stolen cat, we gon' bust the law. I'm a little day, and I'm about them all. Rob who, take what, huh? Bust them all. This real shit, do or die, he won't catch them all. Trigger happy, catch him lacking, he won't get one off. Pack of wolves, gotta feed him, but I'm the biggest dog, got a Big Mac.
Put that K. Miguel. What's up, YouTube? Smoke for 392. We got a banger for y'all. We got my little bro, D Prophet.
Gang, gang.
We got him and his Bumblebee Camaro. And today's video, you know it's gonna be on that bad boy Windbooster. Yes, sir. So we're gonna get the Windbooster. I already hooked it up, so I ain't gonna worry about doing the installation video. All right, so you're in sport right now. So he's in sport mode right now. We in a 2010 Camaro L2, which it's a V6, so 3.6. That's your normal. And this is just your normal. This is how his normal throttle response. You feel me? It's, you know what I'm saying? It ain't too much. So he hit the stop sign. I'm gonna go ahead and pop him back up in the sport and see if he can really feel the difference. So pop him back in sport. There we go.
Yeah, I can tell. It's making that bitch rev higher though, for sure.
Watch these
I seen the little red. It's responsive as fuck though.
That's what's up. Yeah, there it is. Windbooster 2010 Camaro V6 L2.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna end the video like that. We got D Prophet. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel at the bottom in the description. Show love to the channel.
Flare, boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna do it like that. And by the way, this is my blood brother. Y'all same mama, same daddy. So fuck with my boy, please. Y'all saying Smoke Clear 392. I'm out this bitch, y'all.
We gon' risk it